on us last morning for this year at Calais. This is a Calais one. This is over there just getting some breakfast. Nearly getting whipped out of her head. It doesn't seem too bad for Calais. It's normally really busy, but it's pretty quiet. There's a lot of coppers though. They're just trying to pick a fight with them all. A lot of coppers out here. Although that undercover one, there's an undercover one over there, and they've all got the same haircut. It's like shaved and then a bit on top, and he's meant to be undercover. And I can tell he's a copper. Plus, he were talking to a copper, so I know it. So this is last big breakfast for a while, for a year, isn't it? Yeah. It's back to Grindstone. All in all, it's not a bad hotel. We just packed up at Calais. We're just taking old photos. I'll take yours. It's like a pig convention. So yeah, we've got our bike packed up nicely. Can't get no more on it, I don't think, without breaking its back. She's not smoking today. This is too good to be true, straight through here. Pig vans are going. Stuck in a convoy of pig vans. I was going to say, you got all keys and you got all numbers there, haven't you? That's a right security job of that, isn't it? Oh, frig me. It could only happen to us, couldn't it? Do you honestly think? It could only happen to us. Just put your hand up to this copper. Yeah. They've got to be going somewhere, haven't they? Well, why would you bring all vans though? You know, like there's only one person in the van, isn't there? It's not like they're Yeah, I was wondering that, like for some sort of training.
One or two people sometimes. But then it's not really sensible here unless it's the police from this northern area.
Yeah. So we're in a piggy convoy as we head out. So on that tunnel sous la Manche, I think it's a blue sign. I think it'll be back out where we come from today. 10 to 9, so 5 to 9. Not done bad, although I've got a sweat on already, which ain't looking good for the crossing because it was sweatiest bloody carriage there was. I don't think either of us are looking forward to this. I think we'll definitely we'll never come on bike again on tunnel. Maybe car if it's cheap. Definitely not bike. I don't see why everybody raves on about it being so good. went on it 22, 23 years ago, and it was a completely different kettle of fish. There were none of this here, and you basically drove down, asked for a ticket at the ticket machine, got a ticket, and just got on the next one. They were like every 20 minutes, so it didn't matter what time you turned up, you just got on the next one.
I'm sure there wasn't anyone when they.
Right, let's have a look at this self-checking shite. Alright, table.
The park in 1936 was cancelled, so I don't know what's going on with that then.
Well, we're just
Do you
gonna.
want to press it? Or
Yeah, go on. I'll press it. I'll press it.
7
6.
7 3 1 6 9 6 8.
That it, yeah.
Yeah.
Confirm. Please wait. Yes, confirm. I wouldn't tell you if I were fitted with a gas tank.
Oh, it's this one is on 9:51.
Yeah. A. Hiya.
Morning.
Yeah. Put them back on. Right, thanks a lot. Hey? No, I've got, yeah. Well, they could have. All vehicles. Yeah, well.
I still think we're going to pull it away in the car.
Yeah, I think we will. We'll just come through here and then they'll go, you know what? Oh, so it veers off up here, does it? There's a few in queue, isn't there? Whew.
Morning.
Hiya.
Got your hanger?
Yeah.
You can follow lane number 2.
Two.
First one on your left.
Right, okay, thanks.
Bye.
See ya, thanks a lot.
Cars with roof boxes on, so I guess we are. This kind of-
Hey.
Oh, I had to get
Hello. Hello, don't be scared. Hello. Something again, isn't it?
Yeah, he's got the lead ramp back in the leg and all sorts there.
Ah, so that's gone green. Yeah, I suppose you just got to wait till there's.
Press a button then.
Oh, they all do that these days, don't they? All new ones now. Oh, we're at green. No. On bike, yeah. Well, this is end of France then. Well, it will be in about 20 minutes when they finally load us, but a murky and manky France for the end of his holiday. Although, good thing is, it's not raining. I know, I know, I know, I know. Oh, they're filthy, these trains, aren't they? Could do with a good wish.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get pulled to the side here, won't we? Yeah. This is fucking awful on bike, this. on this big bastard. So was you tempted to run down that centre line?
Yeah.
And it's pulling you towards it, but we wait at bike. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. What? There's what? We're up front. Yeah. Oh God, that's horrible. They're fucking lethal. They are fucking lethal, them. Yeah. We're on train. There's somebody waiting out there. Haven't set off yet. Caught earlier ferry, train, haven't we? 9:50 it's meant to go, it's 9:45 now, so we're half an hour early. That metal thing there is no fun on a Goldwing. We wait. Bearing in mind we're nearly 3/4 of a ton. Yeah, so here we are on homeward journey. Actually aircon's blowing today. That's why Liz has sat over there. Look at her hair blowing.
First gear or park. For your safety and comfort, we recommend that you stay with your vehicle. Do not stand or walk between the vehicles during the crossing. As a safety measure, please open sunroofs or vents and keep your windows open halfway throughout the crossing.
Yeah. Right, we're off. Au revoir, français. So, he's racing, doesn't care. So we're off. Yet again. This time back to sunny Britain. These gloves I'm wearing absolutely stink because they're right next to my face now. Although they've gone through some shite this holiday. Here we go, we're off. Let's get some speed up. Ah, you see, he's coming off there, is he? That's I-ones. Well, we're in tunnel now. You can see, I don't know if you can see it, all bikes are rocking a bit. Liz is busy having a drink. It's not particularly nice to watch. 3/4 of a ton rocking about. I might be able to tell from the aerial. I'm going to zoom into it. Right, well, we're just pulling into Britain now. That was just hot, sticky. Bloody awful, really, wasn't it? both. Just saying it not sticking horrible really. So yeah, we'll be about another 10 minutes before we start getting off. Right, let's get off this shit heap. At least we're near the front. Oh, a bit of air. You just twist that aerial and make sure it's down. Yeah, it's alright. No, you're alright. How was that getting on? A bit better?
Yeah, we're better, obviously better.
Yeah.
Normally get on that way. Would you?
No. Oh, fuck me.
It's a weird position for you. It's a weird position. And then you feel like majority of my problems in life is because I'm short.
Yeah.
If I have tall legs, I could have got on my own seat, then we are having to push back from your seat.
Yeah, we're away. That's us done. Let's get out of Dodge. It's really bouncy over here, this bike. It's 21 degrees, so we're pretty warm. Got a bench shut anyway, so yeah, straight onto M20. Right, well, we're just heading home now. We've got 235 miles to go, so it's a piece of piss today. We're on M20, obviously the Maidstone and that lot, and then it's going to be around M25 and that. We're on for a good finish if we don't get held up. Weather is 23 degrees, so it's actually really nice here. It's nicer than it were in France. Hopefully my boots are drying out now. They were dry on the inside, but leather on the outside is soaking. Because they're only suede things. Yeah, it's good to get off at off a train thing. Just crack on. M25 now. Just heading for Dartford crossing. Hopefully it'll be fairly quiet. Yeah, oh god. I was hoping it'd be fairly quiet. Typical. Smith family holiday. If you can pick wrong lane, you will pick wrong lane. Like I was just saying to Liz. Like I was just saying to Liz there, it's they let tankers through then. That's what all that was. Tankers. You see lights in front, flashing lights from escort vehicle. Fastest racket of a bloody bus. That's better. Yeah, you can see escort vehicle up in front there. Be a tanker or something in front of him. gas or petrol or something. So this is Dartford Crossing, well, Dartford Tunnel. There you go, tanker's just gone through at top there. It's just gone out that tunnel. They normally wait till there's like a queue. When I've come past it wagon, there can be 10 trucks just sat there waiting to come. I suppose it depends on time of day, amount of traffic. So that's Dartford Tunnel for you. There goes bridge up at top there. And we're in Calais, Essex. Now they're going to pass us. Bloody waves. Well, exciting news is that we're coming off at M25 and we're just about to join M1. Yay! M1's homeward run. 165 miles to go. He's so pissed we've got this covered. We're stopping at Northampton services. Something to eat. Hopefully. Of course, if I've got a voucher. From truck, I've got a £5 voucher. So we can get half a McDonald's for free. Right, so we're on M1 now, heading upwards. It's always good when you're in the right direction. Bike's running like a dream. Right, well that's Northampton services done with. I've just filled it with juice. 21 quid's worth.
Turn right, then
And we are going to head on to M1 again. And hopefully it'll be a decent run. Come on then, make up your mind, that's it. Yeah, that's Northampton done, and let's get off home. Well, we've just done well today. Temperature's just dropped a little bit. It's gone a bit grey, but it's still warm. We've got vents on, and we're up at Sheffield. There's Bed Hall. Not far to go now. That's where Old Cooling Towers used to be. Tinsley. Ooh, we're not so far off home now. 10 mile. Just got over the tops to go. Ooh. Piece of pace. Beggingtons.
Yeah, not bad, yeah. Doing earlier. On the earlier one.